I'm Janae, and I'm an upper sixth boarder in Lacy. I had a bit of a strange experience joining because it was in the middle of COVID, so I had maybe a different experience to other people. But I think what really drew me to the school was the fact that it seemed to really have something for everybody, and that no matter what your interests were, there was something that the school could provide to accommodate and allow you to really explore that. My most memorable moment has been, I think, delivering talks to Shell's fourth forms, because it's really helped me build up the momentum to be able to give an assembly to the whole school. And I think I didn't used to consider myself a very good public speaker, but that has really helped my confidence and helped me build that skill. My role as an EDI Pupil Leader looks a lot at working with other members of the group and about how we can celebrate key dates of the EDI calendar within the school setting, and also about communicating this kind of information to the wider school community. So the most recent initiative we had was for International Women's Day, where myself and the other pupil leaders gave an assembly about celebrating important women throughout history. And we organized an art project where houses would be able to design little pieces of fabric about key women in their lives, and it'd be stitched together in a big heart shape to celebrate the different women. I'm hoping to pursue a degree in human, social, and political sciences. And ideally from there, I would do a law conversion and perhaps get into humanitarian work or something along those lines. The process for applying for Cambridge was not too dissimilar from applying for other universities. It was the personal statement, and then it followed with an interview from staff that worked in the degree that you wanted to pursue. I would say that my biggest piece of advice is that whoever is interviewing you can definitely tell when you're passionate about the subject. So I would say having a real enjoyment for learning about what you want to do, allowing that to help you read around the subject, make sure that they know that you really want to pursue it and really want to go to Cambridge, and shows enthusiasm that makes them want to have you at their school. I would say Canford helps quite a bit with giving pupils exposure to things that they would have to deal with in the real world. So through things like the careers convention, having to present yourself to potential employers, having to pitch your ideas and your skills to someone external and hope that they agree is quite an important skill. The part that I've enjoyed the most about boarding has been the actual close proximity to all your friends. You get into it and you think it'll be a bit like a huge sleepover, and you expect that excitement to kind of wear off, but it kind of never does, because you always are 2 feet away from your friend, and it means that even though you are still living at school, it takes a bit of the stress off because it still feels like home. I think if I were to describe Canford in one word, it would be busy. Canford is busy.